Good morning mga ka-showbiz. Ito na ang ating latest update para sa Barda. Sa araw na ito, sinabi ni David Licauco na pambihirang katrabaho si Barbie Fortesa. Yan po yung ating pag-uusapan at bibigyan ng komento sa araw na ito. Kaya naman kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, ano pang hinihintay mo, mag-subscribe na at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz. Panoorin at pakinggan ang buong detalye at ikaw na ang humusga.
During a routine press interview, David Licauco was asked a question he has probably heard countless times throughout his career. What makes working with Barbie Fortesa different from working with other co-stars? It's the kind of question most actors answer automatically, often with safe and generic compliments. But this time, David didn't rush his response. He paused. His smile softened, and he took a brief moment as if he genuinely wanted to choose the right words. Then he said something that immediately caught fans' attention. Because with Barbie, I get to be myself. The tone of his voice subtly shifted from professional to personal, and viewers noticed right away. It didn't sound like a polished interview line. It sounded honest. David went on to explain that working with Barbie makes everything feel lighter. Scenes flow more naturally, conversations don't feel forced, and acting alongside her feels less like performing and more like simply existing in the moment. He shared that with Barbie, there's no pressure to constantly impress. They talk easily, joke when it's appropriate, and sit comfortably in silence when it's not. That balance, he said, is rare. He added that Barbie understands his moods, when he's energetic, when he's thoughtful, and when he prefers quiet. She knows when to tease him to ease the tension and when to give him space without asking questions. As he spoke, his reflections didn't feel rehearsed or promotional. They felt thoughtful, almost intimate, as though he was discovering the meaning of their connection while talking about it. Then came the line that truly struck an emotional chord with fans. She understands me in ways people don't see. Those words carried weight. They suggested that whatever exists between them goes far beyond scripts, blocking, and shooting schedules. It hinted at emotional safety, the kind that develops when two people build trust over time, learn each other's rhythms, and choose to show up consistently. Viewers watching the interview said they could feel the warmth in his voice and the sincerity in his expression. In that moment, it became clear why fans believe their pairing feels different. It's not just chemistry on camera, it's comfort off camera. And perhaps that's the real reason their connection resonates so strongly. For David, Barbie isn't just a co-star. She's someone who makes him feel understood. And in an industry full of noise and performance, that kind of understanding is rare and deeply meaningful.
Ayaw na lang kasi sabihin ni David Licauco na gustong-gusto niyang katrabaho si Barbie Fortesa kasi namimiss niya. At gusto niya lagi itong kasama o mga ka-showbiz. Talaga to si David, no? Pero kidding aside, mga ka-showbiz, kitang-kita naman kung gaano ka-professional magtrabaho si Barbie Fortesa. At hindi lang naman si David ang nagsasabi na kakaiba at pambihirang actress at masarap katrabaho si Barbie. Marami pa po, lahat po halos ng mga nakatrabaho niya. Ganun po yung sinasabi na very professional po si Barbie at napakasarap daw makasama sa katrabaho. Maging katrabaho dahil hindi lang siya magaling na sa acting, magaling din siyang makisama. At syempre, hindi lang basta sa pakikisama, mga ka-showbiz, sa mga kapo-Barda fans ko dyan. Ang alam ko po, nanlilibre din ito si Barbie Fortesa, hindi lang sa kapwa niya mga co-artist, pati din sa mga staff nila. Nanlilibre po si Barbie. Ganun po siya ka-generous, ganun po siya ka-maasikaso at mapagmahal sa mga kasama niya. Kaya nga, talagang kakaiba itong si Barbie. Once in a lifetime, di ba? Panigurado ko hindi na to pakakawalan ni David Licauco kasi marunong sa buhay si Barbie Fortesa. Hindi lang maganda, sexy, 'di ba? Mapera, kundi magaling talaga sa buhay at may mararating. Sasabi natin na perfect match silang dalawa. Perfect couple, ika nga. O, di ba mga ka-showbiz? Yun na lang talaga hinihintay natin eh. Yung pag-amin ng dalawa. Kaya na natin yung mga negatibo dyan, yung laging sinasabi na hindi yan magkakatuluyan, magkakahiwalay yan, may ganito, may ganito. Kaya na po natin yun. Mga toxic lang yun at walang magawa sa buhay. Basta tayo tuloy lang ang suporta sa Barda. O, di ba mga ka-showbiz? Happy talaga ako dyan. Bahala na sila dyan. Para sa mga bagong balitang showbiz, ugaliing tumutok dito sa ating channel at mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz.